Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Get Started with the Swift programming language video 10. And today I'm going to introduce a function. So what is function? Function is kind of a formula that you can directly use to deal with multiple problems in one time. And instead of to writing the process of how to get the formula in several times. So I will show how to define and calling function in the Xcode. So first we use the func as a keyword to start defining a function. We say greet. And this is actually called the name of the function, and a person is kind of a parameter of the function. So is and we have to give it a type. So we say it's type of string, and then we use the dash and right angle bracelet to return the value of the string Okay, and then we see let greeting equal to hello plus person, which is a parameter in the function, plus this. Okay, and then we return greeting. Okay, so in this time, how could we because I have previously said that you can use a function to deal with different problems, so we can print out for example greeting person like Bob. Okay, oh, hold on, because actually it's a type of string, so you have to specify. So in this case, when you see the parameter is Bob, it will go into the function and become hello Bob and the exclamation mark. And you can change this to different names like Chris or something else. That's a function. And also there are some functions. Some function is without parameters. So for example, function greet. There is no parameters, but it actually returns something. Return a string. For example, return hello world. Okay, so when we print out great, okay, I can actually do this. Okay, so it actually just returns the hello world, and there is no parameter. It's kind of empty function. And sometimes we can use function with multiple parameters. So we can actually do, instead of one parameters in this part, they can have actual several parameters. For example, we still use func to begin with defining a function, which is still called greet. Now we see there are person, and it's kind of a string value, and comma. We say already greeted. We say it's a bool value, because we have to check whether it's greeted or not. Okay, and we still return a value of string. Okay. Okay. We say if already. So when it is true, we let greet again. Is equal to hello plus person plus again. Okay, can do this. L and return greet again. else we see return. We can directly call the function from the previous function that we have created, which is greet person. No, we actually greeting person. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So in this case, when we have to print out something, for example, we say greet person. We say Bob still, and already greeted. Let's say false. So in this case, when we said that when we type input, which is Bob, and it's already greeted, is false, which means it's not already greeted. So in this part, it will begin with else, right? So it actually will call the function, a previous function greet, and Bob actually goes into this part, which is hello Bob and exclamation mark. If we change this to true, then it will have different function, which is hello Bob again. Okay. This is the example of function with multiple parameters. So how about if we without multiple parameters? What it would like to be? We see like we just directly person and without multiple parameters. We see this, and we just directly set print something. Hello. Person. And we see we directly call that function. Greet Chris. So in this case, it's actually a function without returns, and but it's actually return without return, and it's actually return directly call that function outside the function, and get is hello Chris, okay, and it's without multiple parameters. So okay, this is just the basic function defining and calling function things, and the next video I will tell something about function type.